Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a simple and amazing video which you all can try at home for free. So you all have been wondering how do I make my thumbnails. You saw in my old video thumbnail maker. You can see it here. And today I am going to show you all how to make a channel art maker plus thumbnail in an amazing app which I have found, and I have been using this for a week, which is really wonderful for me and it's really helpful. So today I am going to show the app. So now let's go and download the app. So everyone, see, I have been using this app in my PC. It was really helpful to make my channel art. So I'm going to show this app to you all. I recommend you all to make channel art if you're starting a new channel. There are many Canva apps like Canva's student, Canva's teacher, Canva's parent, but these are not really needed for us. The main app we are going to use is Canva, graphic design, video collage, logo maker. So let's see its importance about this app. Dazzle with animated designs, add videos and effect to IG story photo collages. Canva makes design amazingly simple and fun. So this you can understand that the title keeps us tempted to use this app. I have used this and it's really amazing, and mainly this video is not sponsored by any other app or Canvas. This is not sponsored. It says how to use Canva. Start from scratch or ready to use design, create with blank canvas or save time when use any of our 6,000 free templates created by professional designers. So this app is created by professional designers, which is really helpful and looks like there's more quality in this app. So let's go and try it. Let me install. So I'll install it and meet you all. So now the app is installing, so let's go and see this app very soon. So now I have downloaded the app. You can see it here. So I'm going to go inside. So now I'm going inside. It says design anything, publish anywhere, work or play. Canva is loved by beginners and experts, team and individuals. So I'm going to log in. If you log in, you can understand what to fill. So I'm going to log in my own and I will meet you inside of the app. So now I have came inside the app. You can see there are many categories. Search 60,000 plus templates, and there is even pro designs, which is really that cost money. If you want you can use, but I suggest free. Those are really nice. Even Premiere is also nice and everything is nice. These are really made by professionals. See, you can understand, it's really wonderful. You can see poster, it says flyer, invitation, card, Twitter post, Twitter header, blog banner, YouTube thumbnail. So let's see YouTube thumbnail. You can make it from a blank page. You can pick a background image from this templates, and you can type your own thumbnail process, and you can do many things. Travel, photography, visual content, budget traveling, safari. Yeah, many. It's really wonderful. It's really helpful too. I made my YouTube channel art from this. Let's type YouTube channel art. YouTube, it comes on the top. You can see it is on the first line. I touched it, so it makes like for gaming, life on water, breaking balls. So I'm going to make our own channel art. So one moment, I'll show you how. I touched on blank, and this is really wonderful. It says tap something to start. I'll tap here. It says allow Canva to access photos, media and files on a device. It says allow Canva to take pictures and record video. Allow. I have allowed for every single access. So now there are some pictures from my gallery. It says image. You can also see from Canva library. You can put I'm going to search for school. Let's see what are the results. You can see there are many. Like if you there is a premiere, more premieres. I'm going to click on this, and you can give some filters. Yeah, so I have chosen this filter, and there looks like there's a new one. I'm going to add a text. You can see the T thing, which is always given for any text option. I'm going for that. It says online sale, while sale, up to 50% offer, QD Comfy, sale, and white Christmas, and birthday party for someone, like invitation. They're very popular. Those are really nice. Text font sizes, these are real nice. So I'm going to make my own. Add some text of your own. I'm going to touch this. I'm going to zoom it. I'm going to write. I'm going to put everything in caps. I'm going to try to be in stew. And now I'm going to choose a font. Many of them are we need to pay money for that. I'm choosing. If you can see the font changes for every single type I choose. I'm going for a nice. These alphabets are in alphabetical order. So let's go for cursive. Let's see how does it work. Oh, this really big, huge letters. Let's give this one moment. So I'm going to choose a nice one. Yeah. So I'm going to choose a real nice font. Let's see everyone. So like every kind of font. So we have crossed the A font sizes. So next alphabetically, let's see B, and I'm going to choose real nice one. Let's go for Bellina. Yeah, this really looks nice. Oh, this really looks nicer. It's a bit nice, sharp, bold, real nice. Let's go for color, letter spacing, and line height. Let's see what is. I'm going to keep here 1.4, and letter spacing I'm going like this, so I can adjust it. And also in YouTube they have given particular the pixels. So when you come to Canvas, when you type channel art and choose your own template, and like if you fit in YouTube, it will come perfectly. It will fit perfectly. The whole thing fits perfectly, so you no need to crop or do many things which keeps you stressed, so nothing happens. It says you can manage your pages here. So I'm going to go for text. I'm going to adjust it. I'm going to keep a little bit italic. It's not working. So next, let's go for colors. There's pink color. Let's see. These are really nice, right? I'm going for violet color. Purple. You can choose, like, go for your own colors. I'm going for a bright lavender. And yes. Now let's go for stickers. Stickers are really useful, but since this is a bit like a GIF, so I'm going for a non-moving. Let's choose really nice. But if you do in PC, you can give subtopics and another topic, like you can type something later, like what kind of content do you put, and I have put it what kind of content as subtopic. This mostly PC is the best editor for channel art, thumbnail maker. Since I'm making this for you all, I'm just explaining it from my mobile, so it can be helpful. People who don't have PC, it can be helpful for you all. If you want to do on PC, you can go for canvas.com. So you can go inside this website and you can do your own. You can see the same method. You should type like YouTube channel art and you can make your own template, or you can choose some other's template, like someone whoever made it, or you can make your own. It's your choice. So also the channel art can be only put in from our PC. In some mobile it's not possible to put it from our mobile. Since it's not possible for me to put it from the mobile, I have put in my channel art from my own PC, so it's really helpful. It's really nice. You can see the stickers. It is really useful for our videos, right? I'm going to the top. Yeah. So I'm going to choose this heart. You can zoom it. I'm going to just zoom it out. Yeah. So now I'm going to save it. I'm going to you can see the arrow mark on like a blue icon on the right top. Just click it, making the magic happen. So it's just getting saved. Yes. You can share it, and it says WhatsApp and many more options. You can give feedback. I'm going to give my feedback. This is really good here. Now the go is inside the website. I'm going to give my feedback from Google Play. So my design has been saved, so I'm going to come out. It says share with friends, so others can also use this. I have already used this, and yes, these are my designs. You can see I have, so this is my channel art you have all been seeing. Yes, so that's all friends. Hope you all enjoyed my video, and for YouTube beginners this is really useful. I have used this app to make my channel art. Hope you all can use the same app. And by the way, this app is not sponsored, as I said before. So make sure to share so everyone can see, like, comment down below your feedback if you have used this app, and if you have used this before, and tell some new features. So it's really amazing. So it's really useful. I have made my channel art. You see, everyone saw my channel art. This is really useful. You can even select someone's. Even not only you no need to make your own. You can just click someone's also. Let's go for some others. It says invitations can be also made. It says picnic in the park. You can also edit. You can also select someone's template and just start to edit. You can also add logos, but logos, since it's premium, it's not allowed. There's a new feature like to add videos. You can also you can choose from the canvas. So I'm going to type picnic. I'm going to search. I'm going to choose one. I'm going to choose this. It's really amazing, right? Yes, that's all friends. Now let's save this video and see how does this look like, and we can also add our family names. It says Anderson family invites to their picnic in the park. Yes, so it has been saved. Now let's see how does this look like. You can see the picture is moving. It's really nice, friends. So we saw how to make our own design, and how to choose some other design and you can edit and make a new design. So make sure to subscribe, share, like, and comment down below your feedback if you have used this app. Yes, and bye everyone. Meet you on next video.